Welcome back to Camus Classics. Today we're going to bring you the Hurricane Easter Car Show. We're still not back. It's currently snowing where we live. As you can kind of tell from the background, it's a little overcast and cloudy here. So we'll bring this car show. We're probably still another month out from restarting our regular videos, starting again with the Oldsmobile. We got Dad.
Good to have you down here in St. George. So
My mom.
Looking for the granddaughter.
And this one you'll get to know shortly.
Hi.
This is Jenna. So Jenna is my fiance, and we will be getting married. So you're going to be seeing her a lot more of her in our other videos. So here we have a 1967 Austin Mini Moke, kind of a neat little car.
So they're going to look just like the Anigans, but it's going to be
Little four-cylinder.
It's a retro version of this. Another guy got a Mini Cooper. One of the two guys. It's nice. Beautiful condition.
Nice little four-seater, something you don't see every day. So here we have 1967 Jeepster Commando. It's like a little V6.
That's what I said too. We just take their case by we kind of price it when they were
See the ducks? If you're a Jeep guy, you know you know. Hey, what we have here is a pair of 1966 Ford Fairlanes. This first one is completely original. His grandpa found it in a barn. It's got 35,000 original miles. The only thing they've changed is the radiator. So there's completely original, here's completely restored. If you had asked me to choose, it would be a tough choice. I'd probably go with the restored, just because I like the black interior. Otherwise, I'd take them both. Hey, you're going to have to comment to us on this. Do you like these or not? New Tesla Cybertruck.
For Sky Mountain Golf for 18 holes, cart and paths. All right, this is a red raffle ticket. Red raffle ticket, last 4 digits. 9585. 9585. If you are the winner,
My opinion, if this is the way we're going, I'll keep what I have. Here we have a 67 Nova. Pretty well done car.
My door.
Nice, beautiful car. Here we got a 68 Camaro, red with some silver stripes. Very good color combination.
Yeah, you're right.
Love this color red. Here we have a 1970 C10 LSX with a turbo with kind of a unique color combination. Let me show you the engine, then we'll show you the color.
It's got an LSX in it. This is an aftermarket drink too. It's got an aftermarket.
So kind of a grand purple. Not something you see every day, but to me it works.
That's like,
Here we got a pair of 1972 Ford Broncos. If you know anything about cars, since the new Fords come out, these have skyrocketed in price. Very lovely vehicle though. There's the red one, and then we got a blue and silver one right next to it. Now I do like the Broncos, but I have always had a little bit of a soft spot in my heart for these. International Scout, 1975. Kind of just a utilitarian vehicle, but they're really neat. It's a 1929 Ford Sport Coupe. Kind of always wanted a rumble seat car, maybe one day. Here we have another unique one, 1960 Chevy Impala. Old air conditioning. You know, I always kind of like the vertical fins, but I kind of like the horizontal as well. You know, some cars they say are boats. This one is one of those. 1961 Pontiac Bonneville.
See these white walls? This is what I try and tell Cooper we should all put on the 442. I got a set of them tires back in the shop.
I'm still voting no.
How are you, Chuck? Good. How are you guys? Doing good. Good place to be today, huh?
With the wide sidewalk.
Yep, we're still going. I love the Bonneville callouts on it everywhere. Here we got a 56 Bel Air. Very beautiful black paint job. Pretty smooth. Love the interior in this one. And black is one of those colors, it's either right or it's wrong. Here we've got a 34 Ford pickup, done in the classic red and black. I love when they do this painting to show, you know, a business or something like that. Just classic, because that's what these were for. This is probably one of my choice off-road vehicles, one I've always kind of wanted. It's a 55 Willys Jeep pickup truck. Kind of one of those everybody has a Jeep. I'd love to have the Willys. Show you a couple of the movie star cars. Here's Matt's wrecker.
Got the aluminum foil header. Yeah.
I got to see this one being built when I come down and went with Matt on his Ford Jeep recovery. This really is something you got to see in person if you ever get the chance. It's just doesn't, what you see on YouTube doesn't really show what it is. And then we got it, Ed's Golden Nugget. Tagged by Robbie. There you go. So here we have 1963 Volkswagen bus.
And my husband, he fabricated it so the turn signal's not here. We put LED turn signals in, and it was like an orange.
So this is the 21 window version. Here we have a 1972 Volkswagen convertible limo bus. Kind of got a Bible theme. So we got creation, Noah's Ark, Moses. Baptism, Jesus on the cross, resurrection, and some weird eyes. Kind of a neat vehicle. So here we got a Mini-Me, Mini Cooper.
A lot taller than the last one. Yeah, it looks better when you
I don't know that I would fit, but named after me, maybe I ought to have one. And here we have a Chevy 3100 in, I believe it's Synergy Green. Oakwood bed. Little pop of chrome for the running boards. Just a little baby turbo Cummins under the hood. Beautiful. Here we have a really nice two-tone 57 Nomad. We'll see if we can get you the color. The camera may not pick it up too well. Huh? Kind of a different color combination, but really works. I like it. Here we are living amongst the luxury 56 Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud.
Well, it's in, or it says it is, so. That's cool. Well, my mom grew up in Vegas, you know, 60s, 50s, so she's like, no, the nice cars are the Maseratis, the Rolls Royces. LA boys.
1956, if you were somebody, you could add one of these. So we found the owner, so here we are in the 56 Rolls-Royce. Beautiful. And the seat, very comfortable. I think I could drive this one. Here we have a 57 Hemi Coronet.
Very nice. I like the looks.
Yeah, it's a good looking car.
Yes, it is. There's a couple of them around. They're pretty rare. There's a guy.
Love the tail fin, so want to have a fin car sometime, but we'll see. Okay, so here's one, 68 Dodge Charger. Really do love this color combination, yellow and black. But it's got to be on the right car. This happens to be one of those cars that is the right car. Here we have a car that's not a car, it's a Volkswagen Thing.
Samurai. I like the Volkswagen. It's a Volkswagen thing.
Okay.
So, not a car, it's a thing. This one I have never seen before, so we'll bring it to you. It's a 98 Pontiac Trojan.
Así viene.
Yo vi un carro así, uno chiquito con cuatro cilindros. ¿Sí viene?
Así viene.
¿Sí viene? ¿Sí?
Ponen tojas.
¿Algo así?
Anybody over with you? Oh, hi, how you doing? Have you been over to see the Cybertruck yet?
So when 4 exhaust tips are not enough, add 4 more. Okay, so we just finished with the Hurricane Easter Car Show. Pretty good show. Not as many cars as last year, but there also wasn't as many people. I think the overcast skies and the potential rain kind of drove a few people away. But it was a pretty good show. What was your thoughts?
I thought it was a real good show. I wasn't impressed with some of the cars that was here, but it was a good show. I don't think there was as many cars. It didn't seem like it. There was a lot more vendors and stuff here than there usually is, but it was a good car show and I enjoyed it.
Hey, Jenna, how was your first Easter Car Show?
I liked it. Lots of great cars to look at. Couple unique ones. What was the name of the one we'd never seen before?
Believe it was a Pontiac.
Yeah.
Trojan.
The Trojan.
It's not a Trojan, Trojan. There's no R.
Yeah.
There was no R. It's Trojan.
Lots of pretty Mustangs, which I'm kind of partial to, so.
So, yeah, good car show. Happy to be here. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.